Class C fire extinguisher is designed to fight fires involving electrical equipment. These include wiring, circuit breakers, appliances, outlets, and machinery that are energized. The key requirement for Class C extinguishers is that the extinguishing agent must be non-conductive to prevent electrical shock. Click on the next button to proceed. This is the electric power hub. We are about to experience a fire incident caused by an electrical overload. Oh no, there's a short circuit in the electric switchboard. Let's learn how to respond using the correct fire extinguisher. Select the correct option based on the current scenario. Correct answer is Class C, for electrical fires. Grab the fire extinguisher. Remove the pin from the fire extinguisher. Grab the nozzle pipe from fire extinguisher. Aim at the base of the fire, squeeze the handle, and sweep from side to side. Place the nozzle pipe back on fire extinguisher. Place fire extinguisher. Great work! You have successfully prevented us from the fire. Now let's move to the next scenario.